Hey friends, it's Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Bye.
So if you're watching this video, you are probably having some trouble trying to grow your hair long, or you want long hair and you just can't figure out why it won't grow. Well, lucky for you, I'm here to help you. I have wanted long hair since 8th grade and all of my friends know this. It was kind of like an ongoing joke that I wanted long hair and my hair would not grow. For some reason, it was like up to here, I would say, and it made no progress no matter what I did. I was like, what am I doing wrong? It's so fried. I just want long, luscious hair, and I literally have no idea how to make that happen. So I did so much research. I was constantly on Pinterest, like how to make my hair grow longer. After making a little routine out of the things that I found on Pinterest, my hair finally started to grow. So I'm gonna be sharing with you those steps, because now you can see my hair is like, it's pretty long, and honestly it would be longer, but this girl botched my haircut in Wisconsin. Like, I asked for long layers and she cut my bangs like up to here and the layers were like up here. It was so bad. Another hairstylist also messed it up and they ended up having to bleach it a bunch of times because she was just terrible at her job. So then my hair became so fried. So it normally is even thicker and longer than this, but it has been through a lot recently. So it's not as luscious as I would like it to be, but what are you gonna do? But still, it is way longer. You can see my hair has made so much progress. I'm going to insert a picture right here of the length my hair was for probably my whole high school time, whenever I was like super awkward and I just wanted it to grow so bad. Once I left and went to college, I feel like that's really when it started to grow, and I'll explain why. So let's get into the steps so we can get your hair growing all long and luscious. So first things first, you need to stop putting heat on your hair. I became addicted to straightening my hair when I was in like 4th grade because my hair was kind of curly, a little bit frizzy, and I would just throw it back in a ponytail every day. And then my babysitter straightened my hair and I was obsessed. I'm like, I can't believe I can actually look like this. It gave me so much confidence. So every day before school, my mom would straighten my hair, and then that led on to years and years of me only wearing my hair straight. I would never ever wear it natural. I was so insecure with my natural hair. I absolutely hated it. I would also straighten it or put heat on it a lot of the time when my hair was still wet, which is a huge no-no. It completely fries your hair. So make sure your hair is completely dry before you put any heat on it, if you do put heat on it. But starting my senior year, I think I was just like, screw it. Like, I really just don't care anymore. I want my hair to grow. So I started wearing it natural. Sure, I did not feel as confident and good about myself, but I knew that was what I had to do in order to get the results that I wanted. So if you're in that situation where you hate your natural hair and you're just like, oh, I don't feel confident, I don't want to wear it like this, my best suggestion is to braid it a lot. I always would braid my hair. I would wear it up in like a pony or a bun, or I really like to just pull it back like this and then wrap it in a bun like that, and then pull out the front pieces, and then it's just like a messy bun. That was like a really bad example because it's still over my ears. Here, I'll redo it for you guys. So this is so easy. You just go like this, pull it back, and then you just do one loop, and the second loop you just go halfway through. Go like that, kind of scrunch out a little, pull out the front pieces, and you have like a cool, chill look. I straightened my hair today because I'm shooting content, but I normally will leave it natural and then just throw it into like a bun like this. So there are ways to style your hair. I know it sucks when you're like, oh, I do not feel confident, I don't feel good about myself, because like your hair really affects your mood, how you're feeling. If you're having a bad hair day, like, it sucks. It really does. And your confidence is like to the freaking ground. So that's why I was saying my hair grew once I went to college, because I went to college for dance and my hair had to be in a bun every single day. So I never had to put heat on it, and it was so great. I'm like, oh, finally I can just throw my hair up and not have to worry about it. And that is when I really started to notice that my hair was finally starting to grow. And it's not like you have to completely cut it out cold turkey. If it's something that you do every day, I would just start doing it less frequently, or I mean, people think it's gross, but I go days in between washing my hair, so like the natural oils can get distributed through it. I feel like that really helped my hair grow as well. Some people say it's a myth, some people say it's real. I think it's real because I noticed a difference when I do that. So that is like the main step that I'm gonna say is don't put as much heat on your hair. If possible, don't do it at all. If you're not confident in your hair, you can find different ways to style it, throw it up, at least for like, or take like a month break or something like that. Do it in little chunks. So you'll start to see it grow, and once you see it starting to grow, you're like, oh yeah, like this is so worth it. So step number 2 is braid your hair whenever you go to sleep. I noticed my hair was breaking off a lot, and I was doing some research on it, and it was saying from when you sleep and your hair's just all down, it just completely gets all tangled. If you turn over in your sleep, you can pull some of it out or break it off. So now when I go to sleep, I always put it in a braid, and that way if it's in a braid, it can't be pulled around in your sleep. Also, get a silk pillowcase. I have seen such a difference when I use my silk pillowcase. I just got a new pillow and I need to find one that fits it, but when I use the silk pillowcase, I notice that my skin is better. There's no lines on my face when I wake up, and it is way better for your hair. Step number 3 is doing hair masks at home. So if you're looking for a hair mask, I always would just go on Pinterest and I would type in at home hair mask or hair mask with things in your kitchen and stuff like that. And that made a huge difference. I think I did one with like, it had like egg in it. There was some type of oil, and then you put like your shampoo or something like that. And honestly, it was really gross, but it helped my hair so much. Also, coconut oil. Coconut oil makes your hair so much stronger, and it's super soft and shiny. Coconut oil is amazing for a lot of things, but I would normally do the coconut oil every 2 weeks. I would just take it out, I would rub it in my hands so it became a liquid, and then I'd put it on my ends. I wouldn't do my roots because when I did that, my hair would get super greasy. But I would maybe do like the front pieces here because those break off a lot too from my bangs straightening. Sometimes I'll do that if I go work out so it gets all like warm. Otherwise, that sounds so gross. Otherwise, I would leave it on for maybe 20 to 30 minutes and then I would just shower and wash it out. Make sure you get it all out, otherwise it can leave kind of a weird residue on your hair. But if you're looking for at-home hair masks, I definitely recommend going on Pinterest and typing that in. Step number 4 that made a huge difference for me was taking hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I took the Nature Bounty pink gummy one. What did I just say? I take the Nature Bounty pink gummy one. Or just did it again. I take the Nature Bounty pink gummy ones, and I'll put a picture right here so you can see what they look like. They taste so good. They taste like a strawberry gummy, and honestly I could probably eat a whole bottle of them, but I can control myself, and you're not supposed to. You're only supposed to take 2 a day, so it's like kind of a little snack before I go to bed. But it took some time for me to see results, I will say, but once it started working, like my hair really started to grow. So I definitely recommend taking vitamins to help your hair, your nails, and your skin. So the next thing that I changed in my hair routine is I changed my normal hair ties to scrunchies. I still will use these if I don't want to look like I'm 19 years old and I just want to like throw my hair up. Or if I style it nicer and it's up, I'll use these regular ones. But scrunchies made such a big difference in my hair because these would always pull it out and it would get stuck around it, and then it'd be the knot where you have to like take 10 minutes to get it out. The scrunchies don't do that. They're way better for your hair, so that is another great tip. I would also suggest to use a leave-in conditioner. I use the Way leave-in conditioner, and I just spray it on my ends whenever I'm done and I'm out of the shower, and I feel like that's also made my hair a lot stronger. This one is just kind of for everyday life, but drink a lot of water. Water makes a huge difference with your skin and your hair. Honestly, I don't know why. I guess because your body needs water. That might be like a really stupid thing. Why does our hair need water? I mean, I just know it needs water, but I don't really know why your hair would need it. Water is a key nutrient for the body and hair. Hair needs lubrication inside and out. That makes total sense. So drink your water. It's good for your skin, it's good for your hair, it's good for literally everything in life. And I would say my last tip would be I don't know if this is legit or not, but massage your scalp. I think I found that on Pinterest somewhere, but before my shower and whenever I shower, I like really use my nails to massage my whole scalp, and I heard that it stimulates the scalp and helps with hair growth. I guess it works because my hair is longer, but I've heard some people say that it's BS, but I feel like it works and it just feels good anyway. So I would do that, and I'd also, this is so weird, but I'd put my head upside down for like 5 minutes, and I'd also do that, and it just like gets the circulation going, and it supposedly it helps. I'm not sure if that's actually true or not, but if you're desperate for long hair, you can try everything that I tried everything possible because I was so desperate. So I hope this video helps you. I hope these tips help you. Give me an update in a few months. Let me know if these tips worked for you. If you're feeling insecure about your hair, just know your hair's constantly changing. It will eventually grow. I know it feels like the end of the world when you're like, oh, I just am not feeling myself, but I promise, if you were like a younger girl in 8th grade or something and you just want long hair, it can happen because it happened to me. So I really wish you the best of luck. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope these tips help you grow your hair. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you're notified every time that I post a new video. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and I will see you all next week with a new video. Bye guys!